Thank you. Good morning, everyone. On a more formal note, I would like to thank OGTC and all the organizers around to giving us yet another chance to be presenting in front of a wonderful audience like yours. And just to sum up, I'm not going to speak. The spotlight was on trend forecasting and Sandra being a veteran. So that's what she's done. And I hope you have learned something. The only point that I would like to make would be something that I learned from my previous, workshops that we've been doing since the last week. And when people said, the biggest compliment that we ever got was a nice gentleman coming up and saying, fashion forecasting, I thought there'll be something new, and you'll tell me 10 colors and two different styles, which are going to come up for the next season. But what I learned today was how do we innovate and how do we reimagine? Because like Sandra mentioned, fashion is cyclical. It'll come back. It repeats. There's nothing new. It's in the atmosphere. So the most important thing for us right now is to understand how do we reimagine. It's a big word, trust me. How do we reimagine? How do we actually take India from, that cliche of manufactured in India, made in India, to designed in India? One of my very esteemed clients in Ludhiana had a fantastic idea, okay, and he says, I want to have a design hut. And I said, what do you do with it? So he says, well, it'll be an international project wherein we'll actually manufacture designs and sell designs. Maybe in offshores that's not a big deal, but in India, having a concept like that would surely be something very new. So to sell designs. And again, like I said, from being only now, it's high time that we only said manufactured in India. We need to move on to design in India. And I do not see any dearth of, capabilities or, I mean, the example was right here when Sandra showed the book being done by Apparel Online. We have designers, all of you are a part of the fraternity, and we have such good talent pool. So why not move on to the next level? Rather step back in the line of the supply chain manufacturing and do that bit. I hope people around will agree with me. I've been a merchant and, you know, just again, the last thing that I would like to mention is it's time that we work on the other 80% of the manufacturing bit. We all are manufacturers here. Since the last 5 years, a lot of people, including me, I'm a lean management consultant myself, doing about 36 units, Delhi, Ludhiana, Jaipur. But that's 20%, yeah. If we talk of the lead time, production processes, I'm assuming a number, would be around 20%. Yeah, agree to that? And I feel it's now time to work on the other 80% also, the pre-production processes, the design processes. And that's why we have stepped in now. How can we offer something better, something different? How can we reimagine? And that's why the association with Sandra now. And I hope we can prove our worth, and we can have special workshops for you, and we can cultivate and train the mindsets to innovation. That's the aim, and that was the aim of this workshop, and I hope you have taken certain elements out of it and will do the needful when you get back. Thank you so much.